just parked here at the pilot. And look what that truck is telling me now. It's got a stop and a water coolant and a check engine light. Let's see what's wrong with this beast now. Jeez. Okay, it's 3 hours later. He's come and looked, and I had to show him what was wrong, and he pulled it out like, oops. We need to fix that. So here I sit, making no money. Wheels ain't turning. I ain't earning. Oh, well, let's get this fixed so I can get down the road. So here I sit, hour and a half to get loaded this morning, 20 miles from our drop yard in Jacksonville, Florida. This is a quick update. Hour and a half getting loaded. I drove about another 30, 35, 40 miles, broke down. Been sitting here for 3 hours. Repairman came after 2 hours. He stayed here about 15 minutes and he pulled the line, which I will show. And darn, he didn't have the parts. So off to Jacksonville he go. About another 45 minutes south, and he got to get the parts in 45 minutes back. The wheels ain't turning, this truck ain't earning. Y'all have a great day. And pray I get this thing fixed right away. Right there. That bottom line right there is leaking. Ah, shoot.